Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download Barclays statements. Firstly, go to the official Barclays online banking website and enter your membership number or username. Complete security verification and then access your account dashboard. Now select the bank account you want and then click Show Recent Transactions. This will open the latest activity list. Now scroll to the bottom of the transaction list and click View all transactions. This will give you access to them. Now choose a custom date range and then click Search. Wait for all the transactions to load. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, click Export All and then select CSV. Your file will be downloaded to your computer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.